Hidden inside your body right now is a biological reset button. These are your satellite stem cells. When properly signaled, they multiply explosively, flooding your system with fresh cellular material to rebuild damaged tissue and burn visceral fat at the exact same time. These stem cells function as blank slates. Depending on what your body currently needs to repair, they can transform into muscle fiber, organ tissue, or connective tissue. To make room for these healthy new cells, your body initiates a cleanup process called autophagy. It physically clears out your old, damaged, and poorly functioning cells to prepare for the incoming healthy replacements. This process specifically targets the midsection. Instead of creating dormant white fat that simply stores energy, these stem cells differentiate into metabolically active brown fat, which burns calories even while you rest. When the signal to activate is missing, these satellite cells remain in a state of dormancy. Without that specific trigger, the body cannot generate enough new material to offset the natural accumulation of cellular damage and metabolic decay. That missing signal is a naturally occurring compound called spermidine. Introducing this chemical is the mandatory first step to waking up your cellular system. Spermidine activates mTOR and AMPK pathways simultaneously, creating the exact metabolic environment for rapid cell proliferation. MIT and Nature Metabolism research shows optimal daily intake drives a 30 to 40% increase in mitochondrial renewal. This image highlights the flaw in standard dietary advice. While wheat germ and aged cheese contain spermidine, you would need to consume an overflowing mound of grain or literal pounds of cheese every single day to hit the optimal clinical threshold. The practical shortcut is high-quality grapeseed oil. It provides a highly concentrated, bioavailable dose of spermidine without the taste profile or the massive volume requirements of traditional foods. Triggering real biological change requires bypassing inefficient food volumes and selecting a concentrated source your body can absorb immediately. Executing this daily protocol requires absolute precision. To force your cells into activation, we have to eliminate all guesswork from your measurements. Your exact daily requirement is precisely 1 standard measuring tablespoon of grapeseed oil, which equals exactly 15 milliliters. This technical graphic breaks down the math. Measuring out exactly 15 milliliters guarantees your body receives the targeted 12 to 15 milligrams of bioavailable spermidine necessary to initiate cellular activation. Using generic kitchen cutlery or eyeballing the pour guarantees failure. Clinical transformation demands clinical precision. Next, you must establish an unbroken daily schedule. Set a daily alarm on your phone, take your dose, and physically mark it off on a calendar. Skipping one day drops spermidine below the threshold, resetting activation to 0. Maintaining the chain to day 10 triggers autophagy, clearing broken mitochondria. Reaching day 30, internal changes manifest externally, resulting in sustained energy spikes and measurable visceral fat reduction. The primary reason people fail this protocol is psychological. They quit before the second week because the microscopic clearance happening in phase 1 cannot be seen in the mirror. Relentless daily consistency is the only way to awaken dormant stem cells. You have to survive the invisible early plateau to reach the visible results. We need a reality check. The spermidine protocol is a powerful biological accelerator, but it cannot override the effects of a poor lifestyle. This digital dashboard tracks the 3 mandatory lifestyle multipliers you must run concurrently: maintaining a caloric deficit, securing adequate deep sleep, and performing consistent resistance training. Combining the chemical signal of spermidine with these 3 physical stressors creates a compounding effect. This specific 4-part combination produces the doubled transformation results documented in clinical settings. Providing your body with the raw cellular material to rebuild only works if you also generate the physical demand to actually use it. If you have your grapeseed oil, a standardized measuring spoon, and a daily tracking system in place, your setup phase is complete and you are ready to begin today. By maintaining this habit through the 2 and 3 month marks, the compounding effects become more pronounced. You can expect sustained anti-aging benefits, including improved joint function and a reduction in systemic inflammation. To amplify these effects further, you need to understand which secondary compounds stack seamlessly with spermidine. I break down that specific formula in the next video on this channel. Activating your stem cells is no longer a matter of chance, but a result of following this specific protocol. By delivering the signal your body requires, you are taking direct control over this path to cellular renewal.